Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials and opening the theme area. First, back up current settings to cloud or local storage so you can revert if needed. Next, go to Settings, then Display or Themes. On some phones, enable developer options to see advanced theme controls. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active for downloading assets, and charge the battery to at least 20%. Once done, you're ready to search or import the first theme package without risking data loss. You now choose and modify the theme so it fits your workflow. Start by previewing thumbnails and checking included icon packs, wallpapers, and accent colors. This avoids surprises after applying. Download only from trusted sources and inspect permissions and file types like app or MTZ to prevent issues. Then customize fonts, icon size, grid layout, and lock screen style in the theme editor. These changes affect readability and app spacing. Make these adjustments iteratively, previewing each change. You finish by applying, testing, and knowing how to fix problems. Apply the theme and then test home screens, app drawers, notifications, and widgets. If the system UI glitches, reboot once many changes finalize after a restart. If icons misalign or widgets disappear, clear the launcher cache or revert using your backup or safe mode. If problems persist, uninstall the theme, update the OS and theme engine, and contact the theme developer. One key tip: keep a recent backup so you can restore quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.